CNC machine motion and complexity are often difficult to understand at a foundational level. Controlling these manually would be nearly impossible. That's why we have Fusion 360. Advanced software like Fusion 360 gives us the ability to focus on what we want to cut, and it does the rest. With control over tool angles, positions, and safety zones, we can drive the tool without worrying about quality or safety. Controlling these complex machines has never been easier than with Fusion 360 and its multi-axis toolpaths. In this course, we'll learn to identify multi-axis positioning versus simultaneous machining, learn how to control various toolpaths, create multiple setups, and ultimately finish a complex part. So come along as we move to the next level of CNC machining, multi-axis.